This property is presented by Charlotte Rouse Dreamy 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom rancher with 1,517 square feet on 0.28 acres in the Deacon Woods Subdivision. Built in 1999, this home has seen many wonderful renovations like a new roof with a lifetime warranty. Conveniently located 4 minutes from the Leeland Station VRE and 10 minutes from downtown Fredericksburg. You have a grocery store and several restaurants just a block away. A fenced-in front and backyard make this home an easy choice for the growing family. The playground equipment conveys a gardener's dream with a 10 by 12 foot greenhouse, and beautiful landscaping includes the following foliage: fig, raspberry, blueberry, magnolia, mature Japanese maple and dogwood, cherry, and willow trees, all ready to be enjoyed by you. Relax on your shaded front porch or your deck. Through the front door, you will notice the cathedral ceiling and skylights, allowing for optimal natural lighting in your home. Cozy up to your living room fireplace on the cold winter days and enjoy your morning coffee or evening wine. The living room is at the center of it all and allows easy access to the backyard deck or your eat-in kitchen. Your spacious kitchen has additional counter space that is ideal for a breakfast area. Off the kitchen is a sunroom facing the backyard, sure to be a favorite for those who work from home. Your primary bedroom is located off the eat-in kitchen and includes 2 closets, one being a walk-in. The primary bathroom has a double sink vanity, a jacuzzi tub, and a shower stall with glass door. 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom are located next to the living room. Plenty of places to park when family visits with a 2-car garage, driveway, and street parking. Other upgrades to the home include HVAC, July 2018, hot water heater, late 2018, garbage disposal, 2018, 8 by 12 foot shed, April 2021, fence, spring 2018, garage door opener with 2 remotes, 2018, clothes washer, 2019, 2 water efficient toilets, painted bedrooms and carpeted 2 bedrooms in April of 2018.